Chassy is a powerful platform for your team with everything you need to deploy, provision, and operate your machines. We support a variety of integrations that connect to your team's source control, such as CI systems like GitHub, GitLab, Jenkins, storage systems, and more. This is the fleet page where you configure your fleet of connected machines with no limit on the number of fleets or machines. Here is an AGX Orin connected machine. You can see cursory information about each machine here, as well as launch a remote debugging shell, a secure way to remotely access your devices while they are in the field. Next, let's take a look at workflows. Chassy supports a variety of workflows for your team, starting with deploying binaries, containers, running remote commands, and more. This is the main workflow screen. You can run a workflow, see their status, and modify them as you see fit. Let's look at a newly created workflow, which deploys a binary file to both a desktop and an NVIDIA Jetson. This dependency graph shows which tasks need to be completed before another one can begin. Let's walk through this example of a Jetson deployment. After starting the workflow, we spawn 3 tasks. The first set of steps has AMD64 import and ARM64 import, both of which are import package tasks that import a simple binary file from an AWS S3 bucket called Simple Server. Find Debs in the middle also brings in Debian packages for later install. Next, we have x86 and ARM releases. Release is a task that categorizes all packages for a target chip and creates an accompanying manifest. Lastly, the deploy stage is launched, where we can deploy to any number of machines we desire. We have one for deploying to Jetsons and another for deploying to workstations, as they are different categories of machines. This concludes a brief overview of Chassy's capabilities. Chassy's product suite aims to be your one-stop solution for all your robotics and embedded DevOps needs. For more information, please visit chassy.io.